Relax in the sunroom or in the patio courtyard. 2 owners suite, 3rd bedroom, plus the sunroom. Open floor plan, extra large closets for storage. Handicap accessible. This home is located near the back of the neighborhood next to the greenway trails. Enjoy the pool, clubhouse, exercise room, and walking trails. Maintenance-free living includes lawn care, the exterior of the home, fire protection, trash, and sewer. Close to McPhee Park, shopping, and grocery stores. Video tour, https://u2.b/87gnpb292 FA Hey.